Hi everyone, I'm here once again to answer another question from a parent. Here is his message. This is Dimension 3A, Unit 6 5. How would I explain this to a third grader? I had to use my high school level algebra to figure out the answer. Let's begin. A box has pink, purple, and yellow beads. There are 15 pink beads, more purple than pink beads, and more yellow than purple beads. There are 96 beads in all. The difference between the number of pink and purple beads is the same as the difference between the number of purple and yellow beads. How many beads are yellow? Here we are comparing the number of pink, purple, and yellow beads. So we are going to use the comparison model. We will first draw the bar for the pink beads. So we'll draw a short bar and we will label that 15. As for the purple beads, we are going to draw a longer bar because it says here that there are more purple than pink beads. As for the yellow beads, we will represent this using a bar that is longer than the bar of the purple beads. This is because we said in the problem that there are more yellow than purple beads. There are 96 beads in all, so all we have to do is to draw a bracket on the right side which covers the pink, purple, and yellow beads. Then we are going to label that 96. The difference between the number of pink and purple beads is the same as the difference between the number of purple and yellow beads. To help us visualize this, I colored those parts purple. Notice that they are of the same size. How many beads are yellow? I will now mark the whole bar for the yellow beads question mark. Since the bar for the pink beads has the same size as that of the shorter part of the bar of the purple beads, I will also mark that part of the bar for the purple beads 15. Now notice that the size of the bar for the purple beads is the same as that of the longer part of the yellow beads bar. So I can also label it the same way as it is labeled in the purple beads bar. Now we can clearly see that three groups of 15 and three equal units will make 96. So let's start with our computation. First, let's compute for three groups of 15. So 3 times 15 is 45. Now, let's take away 45 from 96 and that will give us 51. That means those three equal units that I colored purple are equal to 51. So, to get what one unit is equal to, all I have to do is to divide 51 by 3 and that will give me 17. Let us now label those parts 17. What we need to find out in this word problem is the number of yellow beads. So, looking at the model that we have here, all we need to do is to get the sum of 15, 17, and 17, and that will give us the number of yellow beads. So, I can do that by first getting what two units are equal to. We know that one unit is equal to 17, so 2 times 17 is 34. And then I just need to add 15 to that, and that will give me 49. There are 49 yellow beads. I hope this video was able to help you see how we can help the students understand the word problem using the bar model method, because we know that not all students can answer word problems using algebra, especially this kind of problem, which is a grade 3 problem. There is no way we can teach this to a grade 3 student using the algebra. So if you feel like your students or your children need more drills in solving word problems using the bar model method, this is the perfect book for you. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method from Beginner to Advanced Level. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to links to the videos of the discussion of the word problem examples and the answers to the practice exercises and chapter tests. If you want to get a copy of the ebook or the printed book, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. I understand that some parents and teachers find it very challenging to teach their children the Singapore math way, simply because they were not taught that way. So, I have some on demand webinars to help you teach your children or your students the Singapore math way. This will focus on how to teach preschoolers, grades 1 to 3, and grades 4 to 6 students the Singapore math method. Now, I also have the bar model method on demand webinar. Here, I will be covering addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models. And I will also solve one step, two step, and multi step word problems with you in this program. There will also be some frequently asked questions about the bar model method that I will be answering. If you are interested to enroll, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that I have here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.